Welcome to WPForms, the best WordPress contact form plugin on the market. In this video, we'll show you how to test your site's theme or plugins for conflicts when experiencing an unexpected issue with WPForms. While WPForms is built to ensure compatibility on as many WordPress sites as possible, sometimes you might install a plugin or a site theme that isn't as widely compatible and creates an issue where the cause isn't immediately obvious. When this happens, one of the first things you should consider is that there may be a conflict between WPForms and a plugin you installed or your site's theme. With that said, let's jump right in. First, let's go through checking for plugin conflicts on your site. But before we do, you'll want to make sure you have a recent backup of your site ready to go, just as a precaution. To start testing, go into the plugins page of your WordPress site and select all of the plugins except for WPForms. Then click on the Bulk Actions dropdown on the top left corner of the table, select Deactivate, then click on the Apply button. This will deactivate all of the plugins on your site except for WPForms. Once this is done, try and replicate the issue again to see if it still occurs. If the error is gone, then you'll know it was caused by one of the plugins you deactivated. The next step is to determine which one is triggering the issue, so you'll need to move on to reactivating each plugin one by one and trying to replicate the problem as you go along. An easy way to do this is to keep an extra tab open with the location of the issue so you can refresh it as you reactivate each plugin. When the problem appears, you'll know right away which one was causing the problem. But if the error still happens even after deactivating all of your plugins, then the issue might be caused by your site's theme, so let's go over how to test this out. From the dashboard, go to Appearance, Themes, and change your theme to a default WordPress theme. These are any of the themes that are named after a year, so 2022, 2023, and so on. These are good themes to troubleshoot with as they're simple and follow strict standards to make sure they run with as few issues as possible. But if you're already using one of these, then switch to a different theme you haven't used before. Select the theme, then click on the Activate button. Once the theme is activated, go back to the issue location and try to replicate it. If the issue is resolved with the new theme, then you'll know it was caused by the previous theme you were using. Whether the issue was caused by a plugin or theme conflict, here are 2 steps you should take going forward. Contact the plugin or theme support team or the developer to let them know about the issue you found. Chances are they might be familiar with the problem and can offer a solution to help you out. Additionally, be sure to contact us at WPForms and let us know about the issue too. While we can't fix an issue with third-party code like a theme or plugin conflict, we can, however, share the information with other customers who may run into the same issue and let them know where they can go to get it resolved. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to test for theme or plugin conflicts with WPForms. If you have any questions or concerns, please visit WPForms.com and check out our documentation page, where you can find step-by-step written guides for all of our features, add-ons, and more. You can also join our WPForms VIP Circle group on Facebook to learn even more tips and tricks, as well as be part of the growing WPForms community. And if you need any extra help, please visit our contact page and reach out to one of our trusted advisors. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.